But no worries, this is all fake. Alright fam, we are back at it again. In this vlog, I'm diving back into the Dubai Mall for some serious food adventures. First up, Shake Shack, trying their famous Shack burger. Then I check out what might be the most famous tiramisu in the world at Public. But this ain't all. I head to the Cheesecake Factory for their legendary Godiva cake and finish it all off at the Adidas store. Messi versus Ronaldo. Ayo my friendos, it's your boy 7. I'm chilling here at my Airbnb right now. I'm about to leave, but before leaving I wanted to show you the view. Let's go! Oh wow, what a view! Please show them the pool as well, man. Can you see the pool? Wow. Heading again to the Dubai Mall, cause the Dubai Mall is just too good, man. We wanna grab some food. We're hungry in it. We are again in the Dubai Mall. The food is just too good. Yeah, I'm so sorry, man. I know, guys, we have been here already, but it's just too good, man. It's our second last day. Can I say it like this? I'm not sure. We just have to do it again. Come with me. Hi. Hi. We would like to have 2 Shack burgers and cheese fries, please.
Your name for the order, please?
7.
85 dirham.
Okay guys, we are back at it again. I told you guys, if a restaurant or whatever fast food chain gets a rating of 8 or higher, I will always come back. So we are here back at Shake Shack, as you can see. I ain't gonna rate this again. We'll just eat it now. Oh. I love mayo. Who else loves mayo? Type it in the comments. Let's go for the burger. Let's go for it. Here guys, look at that burger. Wow. If you like how this burger looks, leave a like. I'm just joking, guys. Okay guys, see you. We just left Shake Shack. Now we will go to a place called Public. I've seen it like everywhere. They are famous for their tiramisu. Me personally, I don't like tiramisu, but since everyone is talking about it, I thought, hey guys, I will go there and try it out for you guys, only for you guys, so that you don't have to do it, okay? Let's see if it's really that good. I'll give it a chance. It will probably cost me a liver, but anyways, we're gonna try it out now, guys. Stay connected. See you. Look at this view, guys. Thank you, yeah? Look at me, guys, sitting here in Dubai at Public with the Burj Khalifa view in my fake England jersey. But yeah, that's how it is, guys. We stay real in it. We would like to order 1 tiramisu. Thank you, yeah? Hi, sir.
Hi, sir. How are you?
Fine, thanks. How are you?
Always good.
Very good. We have heard that you have the best tiramisu worldwide. Is that correct?
Ever.
The best ever?
Yeah, it's one of the best in the world. One of the favorites.
I've seen it all over social media.
Yeah.
Now we have the famous Public tiramisu. Well, I have it, you don't have it. So now I'm gonna try it. Look at this, guys. Can you see it? Another bite. It is definitely tasty, but I don't really have a comparison because I never eat tiramisu, so I cannot say now, hey, this is like the best tiramisu or whatever. this is better than the others because I don't really have a comparison. I can't remember when I've eaten tiramisu the last time because, as I told you before, it's not my thing, you know what I mean. But yeah, anyways, I will finish this and then we'll come to the final rating, guys. Let's go, guys. Thank you, yeah?
Bye-bye.
Thank you, bye. That was the public experience. Oh. Okay, guys. Now to my final rating. We paid 39 AED, which is approximately 10 for one piece of tiramisu. And it was very delicious. Although I'm not a tiramisu fan, I really liked it. So my final rating is a 8 out of 10. Because, first of all, you have a very nice view, as you can see there. So you have a really nice view, and I think 10 for such a nice view. For Dubai, it's definitely cheap, isn't it? Isn't that insane? They even have an aquarium in the Dubai Mall. Look at this, guys. We have just been to public tiramisu, but we are still hungry. So now we'll go to the Cheesecake Factory. Hi. 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 Yes, for two. Sorry.
We have a waiting list going.
Oh, okay. So we only want to eat a cheesecake. Still 10 minutes?
Yeah, for the table, yes.
Yeah, for the
10
table?
minutes.
My name is Seven.
This Dubai is
Like, can I walk around or what?
only here.
Only here. Okay, thank you. Yeah? Okay. Thanks a lot. Okay, guys, we literally waited for like 10-15 seconds, not more. I think they made a mistake because they told me like 10 minutes. Okay, guys, we are here at the Cheesecake Factory now, and this is their Godiva cake, or Godiva, I don't know. I think Godiva is correct. Look at this, guys. Sorry. I already know it, and it's simply perfect. Wow, please guys, this is so good. I just love this place. I really love this place, guys. Hi guys, how are you? Hope you're doing good. So we just finished the Godiva cheesecake, which was very good. We paid 40 AEDs. This was 100% worth it. Very tasty cheesecake if you love chocolate. This is definitely a must try for you guys. And my final rating for the Godiva cheesecake is a 9.5 out of 10. I really had to think if I give it 10, but for a 10 it's slightly too expensive, so that's why I'm giving a 9.5. But the taste is definitely 11 out of 10, guys. So let's go. Let's go to Adidas. Hi, sir. What is this?
You just kick the ball, and then you gotta have to make sure that when you're kicking the ball, it's not a matter of kicking hard, but it's a matter of giving a good control by making a good rotation of the ball.
If I don't win, I cannot sleep tonight. 5,000. Wow. But I have to do 7,000. The machine is not working right.
I'm working right, yeah.
Okay, so somehow I'm losing. That makes me sad. Life is pain sometimes. Anyways, how would you rate my outfit? That's a full Nike outfit in Adidas. But no worries, this is all fake, This is not original, it's all fake. You see all the people in Dubai Mall walking around with Rolex, with Armani, Cartier, I don't know what. And I'm coming with fake Nike, And anyways, thank you, sir. It was nice, yeah?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Take care, yeah? Guys, what would you say? Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro, or Leo Messi? Lionel Andres Messi Cucitini. Definitely Lionel Messi. Messi is the true GOAT, man. Okay, guys, we are leaving now. Let's go. Hey, yo, my friendos. Thank you for watching today's vlog. Oh man, I just spit. I hope that you enjoyed it, guys. And if you did so, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and leave a comment as well, man. You guys are being stingy with them comments, man. I don't like that. However, guys, thank you for the support. Thank you for the love, even though it can be more, you know what I mean? You feel me? You get my point, but still, guys, I really appreciate it. And guys, I surpassed 100 subs, man. 100, guys, triple digits. Would you believe me if I said I'm in love? 100 subs, man. Next goal, 500. So hit that subscribe button, guys. 500 is my next goal. You feel me? Aiming high. However, guys, I don't want to talk too much, man. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the love. And stay tuned for my next vlog, guys. I love you. See ya.